Y wladfa was established a century and a half ago.
Wel, dipyn o stori.
A journey full of adventure, full of hope. To celebrate 150 years, a week of programmes reflecting the lives of the Welsh in Patagonia.
Mae'n teimlo chydig bach o freuddwyd bod yma yn Patagonia, dweud y gwir.
Mae angen pawb, a mae angen chi.
Wyt ti'n gallu helpu fi?
Newyddion and heno will also be there.
Chi'n licio hwn, drach?
Cymru fach ar gyfandir peth, sy'n gyfuniad hudolus o'r cyfarwydd a'r annisgwyl.
Patagonia Week on S4C, on TV, online, on demand.